love I love Gobunda. What's the problem? Why am Gobunda? Am I being punished because I love Gobunda? Why tout ça nous tende de moi côté nous tende là nous tout believe li? Why? What have I done to my community besides working from nothing to where I'm at today? I work for everything. My name, I had to work for that. I still don't have a name. My name is not even mine. It's just trash. You guys trash my name for no reason. I work for this community. I represent my people. I represent my country. What have I done, Haitian people? What have I done that is so wrong? What is so wrong? Thank you. What did I do? What have I done? Besides standing up for my country, standing up for what I believe. I spent 12 years here, illegal, with no papers. Couldn't feed my children, couldn't feed myself. I struggled a lot. I can't struggle no more. I'm screaming, please give me a break. I don't want to struggle no more. Now I have all the money that I ever wanted, but I don't have peace. I need peace, guys. I want peace. I want my peace. I want peace from my people. I want peace from you guys. Leave me alone. Stop. I don't know what to do with this situation anymore. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I just want to be me. I just want to be a simple girl. A simple girl that don't pas besoin worry about sa moun sa di de moi, sa moun sa fait de moi. I understand nom c'est Blondedy Ferdinand. I bring the sensation, I bring the buzz, I bring the views, I bring the money, business no marché ensemble avec. But understand that I am a person. I am a mother. I am a child. I have a mother. I have a father. I have feelings. I have emotions. I am living and breathing, Haitian people. I breathe. I take a breath every day, every second. If I don't take it, I'm going to die. You guys not going to see me anymore. I'm tired. I'm just exhausted. I'm tired. I can't do this anymore. And I'm asking, I'm begging, I'm crying the media. I'm screaming out of my lungs. Please give me a break. I'm a strong woman. You guys made me a strong woman. I didn't have to be. I'm pas obligée a strong woman. Why did I have to be a strong woman? Why? What the hell is this? People recognize you. People value you as a strong woman because they do so much to break you. You did not break. Now they call you a strong woman. They respect you because they did everything in their power to break you. Just because you did not break, they call you a strong woman. They said, I love you because you're strong. Everything you went through, you never give up. But why on earth did I have to go through all of this? Why? Why do I need so much strength to leave?